YouTube video, right? Second? Fifth? Which one then?
I'm not telling you.
We have right here the dogs keep getting scared because he keeps looking something at the walls. So we don't.
She's looking over there.
Do you think she's looking at the box full of treats?
No.
Let me see. Look over there. Let's see if there's a goat. Sorry guys, it's because I can't show my box. Right. Oh, it's because.
Is it because of that? What? I'm just recording the dog.
I'm alright.
The dog little bitty legs.
There we go.
What the hell was that? Yeah, I think it was just because of the cookies.
Chicken.
Oh my god, I can't even rip it.